Yeah, here to tell you, no matter what you're going through, man, gotta keep it moving. No matter what, focus on your grind, keep your head high, and be patient. No matter what, eyes on the prize, you be surprised. Never stop chasing, no matter what, just keep going, continue growing at your own pace. And no matter what, always manifest the best version of self. No more waiting, born to lose, but somehow built to win. Paid my dues, 100 like Will Chamberlain. Level up season, no matter the weather. I've been seasoned through the storm and the desert. Experiment 626, them doctors stitch me up. Blessings from above, the angels woke me up. Wicked reasons got me overachieving. Sometimes I still break even with a deeper meaning. Amped up, bonkers inside, it's me versus me. It makes no sense to hide, this is who I be. Greatest story never told, never fold. Stuck to the G code, and from the mud I made a mold. Turn nothing into something that's overtime. Faith continues to grow, I'm knowing I'ma get mine. Go working, tending to the part I play. Soul searching, got my heart on display. No matter what, focus on your grind, keep your head high, and be patient. No matter what, eyes on the prize, you be surprised. Never stop chasing, no matter what, just keep going, continue growing at your own pace. And no matter what, always manifest the best version of self. No more waiting, failure's not an option, no need to stop. Crash course on the rocket ship to the top. Dangerous force, pocket full of nothing. Faith the ultimate source to keep triumphant. Took vicious hits during target practice. I'll still never quit, encouraging my slackness to get a grip and take control of the reins. Enjoying the sunshine, sometimes miss the rain. Struggles mixed with pain, build my character. Fully exhausted, still breaking through these barriers. I owe it all to the bottom. Priceless inspirations to go after them commas. Been fighting my patience, already lost so much, got no time to waste. All gas, no brakes, bittersweet taste of victory. It's somewhere miles away, but close enough. So far from done, I promise I ain't never giving up. No matter what, focus on your grind, keep your head high, and be patient. No matter what, eyes on the prize, you be surprised. Never stop chasing, no matter what, just keep going, continue growing at your own pace. And no matter